to resolve the Roblox low memory warning, including the error message stating, "Your device memory is low." Leaving now will preserve your state and prevent Roblox from crashing. Follow these steps. This issue is related to your device's RAM or memory rather than its storage. Therefore, uninstalling apps isn't necessary, but focusing on what's actively running on your device is key. First, if you encounter this error, close the Roblox app and reboot your device, whether it's an iPhone or Android, by turning it off and back on. If the issue persists after rebooting, it might be caused by other apps running in the background. On an iPhone, swipe up from the bottom to view all open apps. Then swipe them away to close them. On Android, access the Recent Apps menu and clear any unnecessary apps running. This frees up memory for Roblox to operate efficiently. If the warning continues after closing background apps, you can reduce the graphics quality in Roblox games. Once you're in a game, tap the Roblox icon in the top left corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down to the Graphics Mode option. If it's set to Manual, try switching it to Automatic to let Roblox adjust the settings for you. If that doesn't resolve the issue, return to Manual mode and lower the graphics quality manually. Gradually reduce it until the game runs smoothly without triggering the low memory warning. By following these steps, you should be able to address the Roblox low memory warning and improve your gameplay experience.